Guys, Serious Love Kitchen is officially 1 year old. So we are the home of love and good food, and these are some of the tasty foods we make here. I am so grateful to God for everyone who has subscribed to this channel, and for you who is watching us right now, your support is appreciated. In today's video, I'll show you the dinners I meal prepped for this past week for my family of 2. These are all the foods I'll be turning into delicious meals. We're trying to eat healthier, and we are finding that meal prepping is helping us achieve this. Alright guys, let's catch up at the end of the video. Enjoy! So the food is done. Here we have the red bean stew, which we had with chapatis, which my husband made. Then here we have okra stew, which we served with rice, and it accounted for 2 dinners. Here we have the goat stew mixed with greens, which we had with ugali. And finally, the goat meat pilau, which was our dinner for the day. Later on in the week, my husband made these absolutely delicious chapatis. Thank you, babe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know how you try to eat healthy in your home, and go check out my other videos for some inspiration in your kitchen. Thanks again for tuning in this past year. It's been a blast. Bye.